Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of AI-generated videos. We'll show you how to create stunning videos using just a single image. It's truly mind-blowing what AI tools can accomplish. We'll start with some fun and impressive examples, and then we'll explore practical and useful applications. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the practical side of things, let's take a moment to explore some fun and mind-blowing AI tools that are available today. The first tool we're going to discuss is Versi, which is a text-to-space AI technology. With Versi, you can create customizable virtual experiences and connect different spaces. Imagine adding objects and viewing them from every angle. It's like stepping into a whole new world. This tool gives us a glimpse into the future of the metaverse. Next up, we have NVIDIA, a renowned producer of amazing AI products. NVIDIA offers a range of tools that are sure to impress. One of their tools, called Canvas, allows you to create photorealistic landscapes from simple drawings. It's incredible how this tool can bring your artistic vision to life. NVIDIA Broadcast. This tool is perfect for content creators. It offers features like background noise removal and even an eye contact feature that ensures you're always looking directly at the camera. Omniverse. For all the 3D artists out there, NVIDIA has something special. Their tool called Omniverse allows for real-time collaboration, making it easier than ever to work on complex 3D projects with others. The possibilities of text-to-video technology are expanding rapidly. Two notable examples are Meta and Google, both working on impressive text-to-video generators. However, I'd like to highlight Kyber, a recommended tool for video creation. In fact, Kyber was used by Linkin Park for one of their music videos. Additionally, there's Leopix, a tool that can turn normal photos into animated 3D-like images. It's truly remarkable how AI is transforming visual content creation. Now that we've explored some fun AI tools, let's shift our focus to practical and useful applications. Cactus is an AI tool designed to assist with schoolwork. It offers various features like essay writing, grammar correction, formatting, and even citation generation. It's a valuable resource for students, especially in subjects like science, technology, engineering, and math. Another tool worth mentioning is Wisdalia. It's a free browser extension that enhances active learning. With Wisdalia, you can generate flashcards and utilize spaced repetition techniques using Anki. This tool is a game changer for improving understanding and long-term retention of information. Privacy is a growing concern in the digital age. Luckily, there are AI tools available to address this issue. Pemize is a facial recognition tool that helps detect unauthorized usage of your images. It ensures that your images are not being misused without your permission. On a different note, Rewind is like a search engine for personal memories and experiences. This tool allows you to easily access and reminisce about past moments. Did is an exciting AI tool that lets you create a digital character for face-to-face conversations. It offers realistic voice generation and even allows you to customize the character's appearance. It's a fantastic tool for content creators and streamers who want to engage their audience in a unique and interactive way. Now let's dive into the main focus of this video, creating AI videos from images. We'll be using a tool called Genmo.ai for this demonstration. To get started, head over to the Genmo.ai website. We've provided the link in the video description. Sign up for an account, and you'll receive free credits to begin creating your videos. Once you've signed up, it's time to choose the image you want to transform into a video. We recommend using high-quality images for better video results. If you don't have an image ready, you can also explore websites like Leonardo.ai to find suitable images. After uploading your chosen image, it's time to customize the video settings. Genmo.ai offers various options to make your video unique and captivating. You can choose pre-existing lines or create your own prompts for each scene. Feel free to experiment with different things to achieve the desired outcome. Once you've adjusted the settings to your liking, it's time to generate the video. Simply click on the Make Video button and Genmo.ai will work its magic. Depending on the complexity of the video and length you've chosen, the generation process may take a few moments. After the initial video generation, you can further refine and remix the video to improve the results. If you feel that the video needs more scenes or different prompts, you can easily remix it within the Genmo.ai interface. This flexibility allows you to iterate and create the perfect video for your vision. Genmo.ai allows you to experiment with various image transformations. Let's explore a few examples. For this example, we'll use an image of a castle. We can prompt Genmo.ai to transform the castle into a modern city over hundreds of years. By adding specific prompts like convert the castles into skyscrapers and make it a futuristic city, we can witness a captivating evolution unfold before our eyes. Now let's take a different image, a car, and transform it into something extraordinary. By using prompts like turn the car into a muscle car and create a futuristic city with neon lights and flying cars, we can unleash our creativity and generate a visually stunning video. It's important to note that Genmo.ai operates on a fuel system. You receive 100 fuel points daily, which are renewed after a certain period. However, if you run out of fuel, don't worry, you can still enjoy the videos you've already created and explore them while you wait for your fuels to replenish. And there you have it! Creating AI videos from images is an incredible process that opens up endless creative possibilities. Whether you're looking to transform an image into a mesmerizing video or explore practical applications of AI tools, the options are vast. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for watching and happy video creation!